If you are interested in knowing how I achieve these bouncy, shiny curls, stay tuned. Alright, so I started with my hair shampooed, moisturized, and sectioned off into 3 sections. So I'm starting with my first flat twist. I have never done flat twists going forward like this, so it's the very first time. I'm using the Shea Moisture Mousse to do this, and you guys, like, my method for doing the flat twist is not that clean and cute, but I got the job done. I get a lot better once I get to the back, so don't mind how my hands are here. I was all over the place, but when I get to the back, I show you how I do the flat twist, and it's much better and cleaner looking. So here I'm just twisting, and then I'm going to start picking up hair and putting it into the flat twist. So here's the front, completely done. So here my technique got a lot better. So if you're following along, this is how you do flat twists, okay? Alright, so this is my whole head flat twisted. I thought I did a really good job. I hadn't done flat twists in a long time, so I see I still have that skill and it turned out really good. Alright, so this is the twist out. So I'm just showing you how I'm unraveling the last flat twist, And I believe I did use some oil on my hair, probably coconut oil. That's what I use mostly. So I put that on my hair prior to taking the twist down. So from here, I'm just fluffing it up and seeing how I want to wear it. I wasn't sure if I wanted to wear the hair straight at my face because it was kind of just in the way. I thought it was cute, but it was in the way. So I ended up kind of tossing it to the side, and I wore it like that and liked it a lot better. Here's a little of that even gel, just slicking down my edges a little bit. So yeah guys, this is my flat twist out. Stay tuned for pictures.